Welcome back to the channel. Let's fix a mirror on the Firebird today. Mirror's already unbolted. It's just three 10mm bolts on the inside here. Any panel removal video will show you how to get to that. There's also a plastic cover that mounts right there. Mine's been broken off, but you remove the 3 bolts, or nuts rather, and then this new bracket's gonna slide right in. Goes inside of the mirror housing, so you gotta unplug some electrical here. Now I'm actually able to reach in, separate the panel, and unplug the power mirror assembly. Now we're on the workbench. You got to pull those 2 screws, and that's a T15 screw on the top side there. Pretty easy to undo. 3 screws, new assembly from Amazon, slides right in. Make sure you are putting the power motor through the bracket, otherwise you won't have power mirrors, of course. And tighten it all back up. I always get all 3 started first and then torque them down, and now we're all set, and the new bracket's there and the mirror won't wobble around. And there it is, all complete, bolted on, nice and tight. Video is of course very short, but this is really a 10 or 15 minute job, especially if you're doing some work, which I am. Hopefully you found this useful. Sneak peek on a future video: door panel upgrades and repairs.